Hey, this is Ryan, and I'm going to give you an overview of this here CT22 True Wireless Earbuds. And I want to first preface this by saying this company reached out to me. They said, Ryan, can you please give us one of your honest, detailed reviews? Who am I to say no? So this was provided to me, but in no way whatsoever will it negatively or positively impact my review. So let's get into it. So this True Wireless Earbuds has a couple different features. I'm going to highlight a couple, and then we're going to unbox these. So first, approximate. It says 60 hours of time of use time. Comfort, reduce hearing loss, I guess because of how efficient they are in the old ear canal. And then IPX5, I believe it has to do with water or maybe sweat resistance. Now, let's see if there's anything else on here. Charge time, about 2 hours. And music talk time, 11 hours. Yeah, 11 hours. Operating range, 33 feet, I guess, from your cell phone or your device. And let's see. Let's open it up. I'm excited to see it. Let me change the camera view. So here it is, all nice, neat, compact. Got your manual here, tells you how to use this thing. I like to go to the accessory stuff first. So let's see what's in here. There's your USB-C to, that is a USB. Doesn't look like it comes with one of those little charging brick block things, but it seems like everybody's got those. No big deal. And let's open this up. A little travel case. That's kind of cool. Looks like you can charge it while it's in there. You just plug right into there, and then you're able to charge it. Let's open it up. Looks like you open it this way. Yep. Oh, well, it's already got some juice. Comes preloaded with some juice. That's pretty legit looking. So 100, I have absolutely no idea what that means. Maybe that means that you're, I'm gonna read the instructions, what that means. And then you have this here. It's sort of a silicone-ish plastic, soft plastic design. Looks like this is where it charges. So at a glance, you have these two metal dots that line up with this. So this is your charging dock, I would say. You plug it in there, it's juicing it up, and then you just lay it in there. That looks to be magnetized. So yes, it is magnetized. Look at that. Drops right in. Nice, compact. And that's not struggling to open up. That's just me trying to figure it out. Then it has it's cycling back and forth between some things. So let's read the instructions and figure out how to get these things connected. All right, these fit nice and comfortable right around your earlobe. Literally, you just do this. You just go around your ear. I even have a hat on, and it just sits right there. These are different than some other types. It's just preference. These don't have, as you can see, they're pretty flat. They're pretty flat. They don't have like the piece that goes like in your ear and like seals off your ear. Some people like that, some people don't. What I noticed wearing these is that you can still wear them and have a conversation. You can have both in, have music playing, cut the volume down, and you can still have a conversation with somebody that might be close to you because it doesn't seal off like all the ambient noise around you. Or if you don't have to go, you don't have to like, especially like if you're in the gym, you're doing something, physically active, you don't have to like unplug it and say, what were you saying? You can actually have these, cut the volume down, still have them in, and have very good clarity as far as, what's going on around you. So that's, in my opinion, really important, especially when I'm longboarding. So even when you're going 22 miles an hour, these things stay on nice and tight, and I can hear the music playing just fine. Well, if I'm not paying attention to the cars behind me, I can hear it still coming depending on how high the volume is on these. And so that was kind of a nice little benefit. I was a little concerned when I first saw this. I was like, I've never seen one like this before that doesn't like fit into your ear canal and kind of seals it off. But the volume and the bass, and basically like your full sound experience that you would hope to get, you know, from a music type device or speakers is very good. It's very clear. But more importantly, just from a convenience standpoint, I can actually hear if I want, depending on how high up and down the volume I'm listening to, I can hear what's going on around me. You know, so if that's important to you, I just want to make sure I noted that. To turn these on and off, it's really kind of cool, and I think this will help in longevity of these earbuds. So some devices have physical buttons on them that you push on and off, and they can wear out over time. These, I can't find the actual button per se. It must be like touch sensitive or something, but literally I just hold it like this, and depending on how long you hold it, I think it's like 2 or 3 seconds or whatever, you hold it, like it just told me power is off, and then, but there's no button. There's no like actual button. So when there's less moving parts, the chances from a longevity standpoint are definitely increased dramatically. I've had some where, you know, you have these buttons, they wear out and they don't work, and they're pretty much, you know, worthless. So in summary, if you're looking for earbuds, wireless earbuds that come with a nice travel case, the case itself is the charging port, as you can see there. Conveniently, it has a digital display that tells you how much juice you got left in this thing from a charging standpoint. That's always nice, because isn't it frustrating when you are trying to charge something that, especially if this has a battery, this is a battery backup right here. It's you know, it's got a built-in battery, and you don't know how much juice you got left. You have that. This is nice and small. If you're wondering how big this is, it's only 4 inches. 4 inches this way by 2 3/4 this way, and it's about 1 inch thick. So from a travel standpoint, that's kind of cool. Again, it fits nice, it's comfortable, very, very lightweight. It feels like it's made of good construction. It's not bulky. It doesn't fit inside your ear canal from a safety standpoint, you know, so you know what's going on. The volume is fantastic, and you feel kind of like the full range of music that you're going for. And with 33 feet of reach, you can set your phone down or whatever device you're hooked up to, and you're good to go. Hopefully that helps.